We're still on Eri Orchards and the layering of our sweet Nweme Udala. Why wouldn't you want to have this Udala? Can you imagine? This is down. Can you imagine having an Udala tree that fruits on all its branches? Can you see? These are fruits that you can reach from the ground. Much more of the ones up. This Udala fruits. Wow. Our sweet Nweme Udala. We layered like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 or 9 of them today. That's what we did. So book your Nweme sweet Udala. Yeah. Thank you. Still Eri Orchards.